Are you tired of being the problem solver for your team? Do you want to unlock the full potential of your employees and increase their problem-solving capabilities? Traditional management practices have disempowered knowledge workers by providing solutions instead of problems. Managers taking all the problem resolution actions have degraded the effectiveness of initiatives and taken away their team's knowledge worker status. The Learning Cell, a workshop designed to explore problems, engages employees by giving them ownership of the issue and solution, thereby unlocking their mental capabilities and expanding their potential. By empowering the team to solve problems, the issue owner adds multiple perspectives to the process, enabling multiple brains to explore the issue and counteract groupthink, increasing the likelihood of solving the root cause of the issue or developing a well-rounded and vetted solution. Assess yourself and your problem-solving process. Start bringing your team small issues and practice coaching through the resolution process without offering suggestions. Pose problems and questions at workshops and staff meetings so that the team begins to get comfortable with the team problem-solving process.